Welcome to the in front of me XIAOMI Mi Temporal 5G, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first you should open the notification bar, and right there, as you can see, we got all our available icons on our notification panel. And just here to change something on our notification panel, on the right upper corner, tap on the edit icon. And here, as you can see, we got the two sections, the up section with the icons that we can that they are visible right now on our notification panel. And also here on this down section, we got the icons that we can add to our notification panel. And just to add them, here on the right side of right up side of each icon, you got the pluses. Just tap here once on this plus, and you'll see these icons here on our notification panel. And now when we will just tap here to OK, you can see the changes, and you can see that we just add the new icons to our notification panel. And just here, as can you see, we can also remove them by the same way. Just tap here once on these red minuses icons, and you can just delete the I don't know which icon you want. And if you wanna just to change the icons, the position of the icons here on this panel, just hold for a while the icon and drag it to the position where I just want to add. For example, we can set the airplane mode like the first one, then the screenshot, and so you can just change all of these icons to your preferences, and then just tap here to done, and you will see all the changes here on our notification panel. So that's how it looks. And if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.